Hello, my name is Mykola. I am JS Engineering Lead at Intellias, where I also lead the Web Center of Excellence. Currently, I'm working at pretty big desktop application. It's a platform with graphical editor for DIY enthusiasts. My role involves defining architecture, solving different technical challenges across my team, or sometimes even across the project. And of course, it's driving the development and delivering new user features. Since my main team is based in the USA, my project schedule is shifted toward to the evening, and I have used this flexibility and joined the Excellence team. Over the past few years, I have conducted dozens of technical interviews, skill checks, knowledge sharing sessions, webinar bootcamps for both external and internal audience. This role keeps me constantly engaged, help to sharp my technical and leadership skills, and of course it's staying up to date with modern approaches which we could implement in our company. So about the hobbies, well, in general I'm interested in a lot of things, and I'm always ready to try something new. Despite I don't have a lot of free time because I'm in the third year of writing scientific dissertation about generative AI, I always try to find a time for my hobbies. I also love building the LEGO bricks since my childhood, especially the Technic series. It's hard to say what I love the most in my job, but probably I would say that's the people who work here. They inspire me, and that's why I'm continuing to do my job.